my girl so rare. Cruising in our CanAm Spyder so true, through the curvy roads in a sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high. Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air. Hand in hand, there's no need to choose. Just me, my girl, and I Spyder blue.
Morning.
Oh, good morning.
It's almost noontime. We're on our way to Clarion to meet Amy.
Yay! Amy and I are and my honey are going out for lunch.
Yeah. And then maybe we'll do some
Exploring.
window shopping.
Oh. We'll see.
We got a few places in town of Clarion to check out. Oh, we'll see what happens. Oh, I'm gonna try this. I'll reset up the GoPro to a different setting. I'm trying to find out what is best.
All right, so let me turn my camera on.
Okay.
That might help.
Sure.
Okay.
Are we good?
I'm good.
Okay, I'm set up at 4K, 60 frames per second. We're trying to find the best picture quality. So, if you could, go back on our last 3 video clips and let us know which one you like the best. I said this is at 4K 60. The one previous was at 4K at 30. And the one before that one was 1080 by 60. So let us know which one looks the best.
Okay, make sure you write all those numbers down.
I will.
Not you, our fans, so they can check them off.
Yes. And we thank our subscribers and it's climbing slowly. We need some more subscribers to help us out. So stay tuned. Welcome to Clarion.
Again. What's this? That smell. That funky smell.
Yeah. And we should be coming up to where we're going to be eating soon. We're stopping at the country seat. Or county seat.
County seat, yeah.
County seat.
Phew.
Yeah. I don't know what they're doing here, but it stinks. Around here somewhere.
Right there.
Did I park here?
Nope.
Why not?
Oh, I don't know.
The meter? Yeah. Right here.
We'll give this guy a little bit of room. I'd back up a half.
Let's go.
3 happy hearts and a whole lot of time.
Well, we had fun shopping.
Yep.
And we're not done yet.
Oh, we're just browsing. We're not really shopping. Just keeping Amy out of the house for a little while.
And we had a beautiful breakfast, lunch at the county
seat. Yep.
Always good there. So now we're going to Brookville and do some more. We'll catch you in a little bit.
See what we
What's that they're driving?
Coyote and Insidious 6. Whoa. Oh, Insidious 6.
Ooh.
Coyote? I don't know.
Oh, no.
No.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, they cry.
You sound like a Chinese coyote.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, so we're almost to Brookville. Up and over the hill.
So here's to Clarion, here's to Brookville, here's to another
We're in Brookville.
with Amy and
Get two parking spots here?
Yep.
There's no better way to lighten the load. Window shopping in Clarion town with the sun shining down. Then Brookville calling so off.
Look at Mama's favorite store, the Pink Flamingo.
Yeah.
I think we had a good day.
Yeah.
With Amy.
Absolutely.
Had fun. Went to some of the antique shops and brought back lots of memories. I remember having that.
Yep.
Not saying that I'm old or anything, but
Now. Nostalgic.
oh, I'm nostalgic. Thank you.
It's always good to go into those stores and see that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Keeps you, like you said, it keeps your memories alive.
Yeah. And good memories.
Yeah.
There's lots of, what do they call that? Carnival glass stuff. Wow. If anybody's looking for carnival glass, come to PA. So, it's on our way home, and we'll catch you then. And just in case I forget, thanks to all our subscribers. And don't forget,
He did forget because we thanked him earlier. So we're always good. We can always thank him over and over again.
yes, absolutely.
A million thank yous, because that's what keeps our channel going.
Mm-hmm. And we need some comments because that helps us.
Yeah. We take that into consideration, the comments.
Yep.
Even if they're harsh, we still take them into consideration.
Usually don't have too many harsh ones.
No,
Once in a while.
it's okay though. That only makes us think of what we can do better.
That's it. Always looking a way to make our channel pleasing to
Exactly.
the subscribers and the viewers. Home sweet home. Thanks for coming along with us for our little shopping extravaganza.
Ooh. That's a big review, babe.
Yes, I'm proud of myself. So I hope you enjoyed as much as we did. We did some shopping, window shopping, but never stopping to buy. So thanks for coming along, and don't forget, subscribe, like, leave a comment, and thank you to all our subscribers.
Always me and you in blue, laughing loud with the sky so wide. Adventures calling from every side. Through the curves, the road shines.